Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making keto breakfast muffins, and what I'm using for my recipe is I've put 3 free-range organic eggs, put 2 small ripe avocados. I had to go for 2 because they were quite little, a good spoonful of dried dill, salt and pepper, and I'm making these today with a burrata mozzarella cheese, because I live in Andorra, where apparently cottage cheese doesn't seem to happen very often. So when I can't find cottage cheese, I can use burrata. And I've also got here some Parmesan. There's about half a cup of Parmesan, which will give them a lovely flavour. And that goes. And all you're going to do is blend that up. These are super easy. Right, there we go. That's a really nice thick batter. And here's a muffin tray. Now, if it's too thick, we can thin it a little bit, because avocado does have a tendency to make things very stodgy sometimes, but I think we're okay here. Just going to pour my batter into my muffin paper cups. There's all into the tins. That batter has got eggs, rich in protein. We've got some Parmesan cheese, another very rich protein-filled cheese, and of course the buffalo mozzarella, and the avocado for kind of giving us a structure to hold the whole thing together. Right, and that's all there is to it. I'm going to pop those in the oven now. You see those there? That's what they look like prior to cooking. I'm going to pop those in the oven and see how they turn out. They've been in the oven now for 15 minutes. I've checked them, they're just browning nicely, and I'm ready to take them out. So here goes. And there you have them. Keto breakfast muffins. Let's just break one open and check that it's cooked enough. Yep, that's nice and cooked all the way through, so you can see it's very hot, but very nice. Like an almost muffin-like texture. Do the taste test. Super good. As they cool down, they kind of shrink. If you imagine the cheeses are all going to harden up again, you can keep them in the fridge if they last that long. And that's all there is to it. Keto breakfast muffins, easy recipe, lovely addition to a keto or indeed a carnivore diet. Thanks for watching. Do remember to like and subscribe, and I will keep bringing you amazing easy recipes that you can make yourself in no time at all, from healthy, real food, whole food ingredients that will be good for you and also good for your wallet, because it doesn't have to be expensive to eat like this. Thanks for watching.